How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Focal Beam 1000 LED flashlight. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your focal beam with your rechargeable battery, along with your charging cable and your carrying strap. So on your focal beam, you'll have your power button here with an LED indicator, which will be used to turn your flashlight on and off. And this same switch will be used to cycle through your 5 modes. So you'll have high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. Now you can adjust the focus of your focal beam by rotating the head of your flashlight like you see here. So here's a quick demo of the intensity of this flashlight. Now when the head of your flashlight is fully extended, you'll find your charging port, which is where you'll plug in your charging cable. So that covers our Focal Beam 1000 LED flashlight. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.